Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with ThredUp easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with ThredUp, start by visiting the ThredUp website. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button. You'll be directed to a registration form. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password for your account. Next, click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation message from ThredUp. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. Once confirmed, return to the ThredUp website and log in using your email and password. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Explore categories like women's, kids, and home items. To sell items, click on Sell to learn about their selling process. Follow the prompts to request a clean-out kit. Fill out the information regarding the items you wish to sell. Once completed, wait for ThredUp to send you the clean-out kit. When you receive the kit, pack your items according to the provided instructions. Attach the prepaid shipping label included in the kit. Drop off the package at the nearest shipping location. Track your package via the link provided by ThredUp. Once your items arrive at ThredUp, they will evaluate and price them. You will receive an email update about the status of your items. If sold, you'll get payment to your account. Finally, enjoy your experience shopping or selling with ThredUp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.